Hi, I'm Jackie Loos. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is a preview video of how I use antiques and findings to decorate my little home, which is only 900 square feet, and also how I repurpose items I find. I used old bottle caps to recreate the peaches sign you see in this video. I was inspired by the American Pickers, where they found one of these signs on a pick. I have a passion for using junk to create new pieces of artwork and home decor. These are the items that I love to surround myself with. I use this passion and the love of good old-fashioned rummaging to create and gather these items for myself and for others. My husband and granddaughter also love to pick. I grew up in a holler in southeastern Ohio. It was a very simple country life. That life inspires me every day. I love vintage stuff that came from a simpler time. I also have a passion for graphic design. I spend my days doing the 3 C's, collecting, creating, and crafting. I scour thrift shops, garage sales, and anywhere else I can find old books, old tools, barnwood, paper, sewing patterns, buttons, ribbons, fabric, and so much more. I take these vintage goodies and give them new life. I would love to hear your comments, feedback, and suggestions on new videos that you would like to see. Again, thank you for visiting my new channel, and I hope you'll subscribe.